Did you know your brain can store up to 2.5 million gigabytes of information? Yep, that's more than any computer or data warehouse on Earth. The human brain and nervous system are prone to the same problems as any other part of our bodies, so your brain's health and vitality are crucial to your ability to remember effectively. The incredible capacity of the human brain to adjust and transform continues throughout life, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. When given appropriate stimulation, the brain can establish new neural pathways, modify existing connections, and adapt and respond in diverse ways. You can utilize the inherent potential of neuroplasticity to enhance your cognitive functions, improve your capacity to acquire new knowledge, and enhance your memory at any stage of life. The following tips will demonstrate you how. Watch until the end to discover how sexual activity can also enhance your brain power. So let's get started. Give your brain a workout. Like building physical strength, memory also necessitates regular use to maintain sharpness. Use it or lose it. Engaging in stimulating activities that deviate from your usual routine challenges you to create and reinforce new neural pathways in your brain. Here are 4 key elements of a good brain-boosting activity. 1. It teaches you something new. The activity needs to be unfamiliar and out of your comfort zone. 2. It's challenging. For example, learning to play a challenging new piece of music counts. Playing a difficult piece you've already memorized does not work. 3. It's a skill you can build on. It allows you to start at an easy level and work your way up as your skills improve. 4. It's rewarding. Choose activities that, while challenging, are still enjoyable and satisfying. Rewards support the brain's learning process. Don't skip physical exercise. Engaging in mental activities is crucial for maintaining brain health, but that doesn't mean you should never engage in physical activity. Physical exercise contributes to keeping your brain alert by boosting oxygen flow and lowering the risk of conditions associated with memory decline, such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Here are some brain-boosting exercise tips. High blood flow stimulating exercises. Engaging in activities that maintain high blood flow, like aerobics, jogging, or even dance, is especially beneficial for the brain. In general, what is good for your heart is great for your brain. Morning exercise. Starting your day with morning exercise can have a significant impact. It helps clear the mental fog from sleep and prepares you for learning during the day. Motor skills. Activities focusing on hand-eye coordination or intricate motor skills can greatly contribute to brain development. Exercise breaks. Taking breaks for exercise is highly beneficial. Even a brief walk or a few jumping jacks can effectively refresh your brain. Get enough sleep. The human brain runs on about 20 watts of power, enough to power a light bulb. All that power calls for some much-needed rest. Over 95% of adults require between 7.5 and 9 hours of sleep each night to prevent sleep deprivation. Even reducing sleep by a few hours can have an impact. Memory, creativity, problem-solving abilities, and critical thinking skills are all affected. Studies indicate that sleep is essential for consolidating memory, with the most important memory-enhancing activity occurring during the deepest stages of sleep. Establish a consistent sleep routine, refrain from using screens for at least an hour before bedtime, and reduce caffeine intake. Make time for friends. Humans are extremely social creatures. We are not designed to survive, let alone thrive, in solitude. Interactions with others stimulate our brains, and socializing offers the best mental workout. Numerous studies demonstrate that a life rich in friendships and enjoyable activities has cognitive advantages. A recent study at the Harvard School of Public Health revealed that individuals with the most active social lives experienced the slowest rate of memory decline. There are various ways to begin reaping social engagement's cognitive and memory-boosting rewards. Consider volunteering, joining a club, spending more time with friends, or reaching out to people over the phone. Moreover, don't underestimate the value of a pet, especially a sociable dog. Keep stress in check. Stress is one of the brain's worst enemies. Over time, chronic stress destroys brain cells. It damages the hippocampus, the region of the brain involved in the formation of new memories and the retrieval of old ones. Studies have also linked stress to memory loss. Tips for managing stress. Set realistic expectations and be willing to say no. Take breaks throughout the day. Express your feelings instead of bottling them up. Set a healthy balance between work and leisure time. Focus on one task at a time rather than trying to multitask. Have a laugh. You may have heard that laughter is the best medicine. It is beneficial for both the brain and the body. Engaging with jokes and mastering punchlines stimulates important brain regions associated with learning and creativity. If you want to incorporate more laughter into your daily life, try these simple steps. Learn to laugh at yourself. One effective way to not take ourselves too seriously is to talk about the times when we took ourselves too seriously. When you hear laughter, go towards it. Usually, people are more than happy to share something funny, as it allows them to laugh again and enjoy the humor you find in it. Surround yourself with fun, playful individuals. These people easily laugh at themselves and the absurdities of life, consistently finding humor in everyday occurrences. Their playful perspective and laughter are infectious. Fill your surroundings with reminders to lighten up. Keep a toy on your desk or in your car. Display a comical poster in your workplace. Pick a computer screensaver that brings a smile, and frame pictures of you and your loved ones enjoying the fun. Eat a brain-boosting diet. Research indicates that omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health. Fatty fish, particularly cold water varieties such as salmon, tuna, halibut, trout, mackerel, sardines, and herring, are excellent sources of omega-3. Suppose you are not a fan of seafood. In that case, you can go for non-fish options for omega-3s, such as seaweed, walnuts, ground flaxseed oil, winter squash, kidney and pinto beans, spinach, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and soybeans. Eat more fruit and vegetables. These foods contain antioxidants, which help safeguard your brain cells from harm. Colorful fruits and vegetables are excellent superfood sources of antioxidants. Eat dark chocolate in moderation. Dark chocolate enhances brain function. Research indicates that consuming cocoa high in flavanols can improve blood circulation to the brain in young adults. Suppose you want the benefits of cocoa, but wish to avoid the calories in chocolate. Consider preparing a hot cocoa devoid of cream or sugar in that case. Drink green tea. Regular consumption of green tea can benefit memory and mental alertness due to its polyphenols. These potent antioxidants protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, green tea may also help slow down brain aging. Drink wine in moderation. It's essential to control your alcohol intake because alcohol can harm brain cells. However, consuming alcohol in moderation, approximately 1 glass per day for women, 2 for men, can actually enhance memory and cognitive function. Red wine seems to be the top choice as it contains resveratrol, a flavonoid that improves blood flow in the brain and lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Memory-boosting benefits of meditation. Numerous studies show that meditation can enhance various conditions such as depression, anxiety, chronic pain, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Additionally, meditation can boost concentration, focus, creativity, memory, and cognitive skills. Meditation has a positive impact on the brain by causing observable changes. Brain scans demonstrate that regular meditators exhibit heightened activity in the left prefrontal cortex, a region linked to feelings of happiness and composure. Furthermore, meditation increases the cerebral cortex's thickness. It promotes greater connections between brain cells, improving mental acuity and memory capacity. Benefits of sexual activity. As we noted, both physical activity and diet can aid in slowing down cognitive decline, along with getting good sleep and engaging in activities that stimulate the brain. But few people realize that sex can help too. According to the Kinsey Institute, a study conducted in 2013 on male rats revealed that daily sexual activity led to the production of new neurons in the hippocampus, compared to rats that had sex only once in 2 weeks. Moreover, it was found to improve cognitive function. A study on humans in Australia examined the relationship between sexual frequency and performance on 2 memory tasks. Participants completed the memory task and then repeated it 2 years later. The findings indicated that even after adjusting for demographic and lifestyle variables, individuals who engaged in more frequent sexual activity demonstrated better memory performance. Additionally, the study revealed that greater emotional intimacy was linked to improved performance on memory tasks. A recent study conducted in the United Kingdom and published in the Journal of Gerontology discovered that increased sexual activity is associated with improved cognitive function based on various tests. The researchers noted that their study illustrates how middle-aged and older individuals who participate in frequent sexual activity demonstrate superior cognitive functioning compared to those who are less sexually active or abstain altogether. Thank you for joining us today at Natural Lab. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember to click the bell icon so you get all the updates. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.